Glad I had great weather for the flight as well.
It's always such a fun, festive celebration at our airport.
is
The
indeed.
cheers go up. Everybody turns out late and hangs out. And we've got a visitor from Canada in Kentuckiana right now. It's smoke in the air, and what a scene! What an interesting thing it did to our sky today.
Not necessarily a nice visitor. I mean, it does give us some hazy sunshine, but it also does produce some nice sunsets as well. Here's a look at the time lapse looking off into our western sky. And as the sun hits the horizon, there you can see that haze makes it kind of orange and reddish. And here you can see, if you look closely, our downtown skyline. This is looking from about 10 miles off to the east of Louisville, right around Hurstbourne Parkway and Interstate 64. So we are going to have some of that haze left over for tomorrow. We've got one rain chance in our long range weather pattern, and that is tomorrow, or actually Friday night and into Saturday morning. Tomorrow is still going to be very nice, but it does look like the last half of May, as we head into early June, could be looking mostly dry, and also with a warming trend. We might top off at around 90 degrees before the end of the month. Sherry Mathers also sharing that orange reddish sunset thanks to some of that Canadian wildfire smoke here from Elizabethtown, Kentucky. Thanks for sharing that to our Kentucky, Indiana Cloud Watchers page. So this is where the fires originate here, more than 2,000 miles away, and then that wildfire smoke drifts in the jet stream all the way down here into the Ohio Valley. This is a Futurecast weather model that's picking up on that wildfire smoke and keeping it still around our area through tomorrow afternoon. So even though we'll be mostly sunny tomorrow, again, just a little bit hazy as well. Right now, 64 and 68, just a very light breeze coming in from the northeast. And with a clear sky tonight, we'll see some areas drop all the way down to the 40s, so a little bit on the chilly side as we get started briefly tomorrow morning around sunrise, and a little patchy fog possible. Kind of a range in temperatures. Yes, 68 in the city with the urban heat island, but notice it's 13 degrees cooler in Madison, Indiana, down to 60 in Lebanon right now. Most areas are starting to drop down to the lower 60s. Clouds, showers well down over the deep south, but really clear over the Ohio Valley and the Midwest. So Futurecast will remain quiet for tonight. Notice our numbers here dropping down to the 40s and lower 50s, just briefly cool tomorrow morning, and then sunshine will work our temperatures up to the upper 70s to around 80 degrees. Very small shower chance late tomorrow, mainly off to the southeast, but we will stay dry. Heading into Friday, the clouds begin to increase out ahead of a cold front that'll be moving through, and just a very small chance of an isolated shower during the day. But notice as we head into Friday night, we start to see some of those showers moving in. Thankfully, no severe weather is expected. Might pick up about a ½ inch of rain from this system maximum, and then that'll move off to the east by early Saturday morning. This is around 9 a.m. on our Saturday. That will leave us with a mainly dry weekend with temperatures in the mid to upper 70s for Saturday and Sunday. Long range outlook from the Climate Prediction Center, 1 month outlook showing drier than normal conditions, as I mentioned, for the rest of this month. Again, just that one rain chance in the 7-day forecast. So forecast in your hometown, we're looking at clear and cool conditions in the 40s and lower 50s, and then topping out in the upper 70s to around 84 tomorrow. Got that rain chance late Friday into early Saturday morning, 74 Saturday afternoon, upper 70s on Sunday. Climbing temperatures with dry conditions through much of next week.